Hey angels, what's up? It's your girl Alicia and I'm coming to you today with another video. In this video today, I am actually going to be doing a video and giving you guys 10 tips for new YouTubers starting out for 2018. So this video is going to give you guys all of my secret tips and tricks that I wish I knew starting out with YouTube, and it's also a lot of updated information because, as you know, YouTube is always constantly changing the algorithm and changing a bunch of things in the YouTube community. So it's my job to keep you guys updated. Make sure you check out my other videos in my YouTube playlist. And without further ado, let's just dive right into this video. So tip number one. Tip number one, guys, is just to make sure that you use copyright-free music. Starting out, I use like a lot of copyright music, and YouTube is going to get you for copyright. And if they get you for copyright, you're not going to be able to monetize that content, which means you're not going to be able to get paid for it. And in the beginning, it may seem like it's nothing because you're like, it doesn't really matter, I'm not getting paid anyway. But after a while, that stuff does matter. And those old videos that you have on your channel, you could still be getting paid for those. So just start off in the beginning with copyright-free music. Tip number two. Tip number two is to try to be very clear about your niche early on and be very, very passionate about it. Early on starting my channel, I use me for example again. I really wasn't sure what direction I wanted to go in with my channel. And that's pretty normal for a lot of YouTubers. But if you can eliminate all of that extra time of putting a bunch of stuff on your channel that you know you're not going to stick with, it will make it easier for you guys to grow in the long run. Try to figure out early on in your channel, as early as possible, what it is that you want your channel to be about, what it is that you love, what are you passionate about, what is it that you can't go a day without thinking about, and that is what your channel should be about. And early on, start off with what your niche is and build content based off of that specific niche. Tip number three. Tip number three is to please, guys, please make sure that you have a simple and clear channel name. It will make it very easy for people to give you shout outs, for people to actually say your name correctly, for companies to be able to find you and locate you. It'll make it very easy for your subscriber base to be able to remember your channel name, and they can easily locate you. That is very important. Do not choose these crazy, outrageous names. So, very clear, simple channel name. Tip number four. Tip number four is to make sure that you make your thumbnails a priority. It is very important that you spend the time and effort that you need on your thumbnails. Starting out, you're not going to really know what it is that you should do with your thumbnails, but it is something that you should self-educate on. Look on YouTube, find videos on how to make thumbnails, use these different free programs that they have out here, such as Canva. PicMonkey used to be free, is no longer free anymore, but it's very affordable, guys. So just learn how to make thumbnails and just get very creative about it. Remember that your thumbnail is the first thing that people actually see, and it's the reason why they usually click on your video. Tip number five. Tip number five, guys, is that you want to start off with shorter videos in the beginning of your YouTube channel life. Why I say this is that nobody really knows you. Nobody cares that you have a 20-minute video. I'm sorry, guys. I don't want to be mean. You guys know that you are my sisters and I love you so much. But I'm going to keep it 100% real with you guys. Nobody cares to watch a 20-minute video about your dog and your cat and your family because they don't know you or the cat or nobody yet. So once you start to build your subscriber base and build a relationship with your audience, that's when you can start to do longer videos. Only if you're entertaining, only if you can hold the attention of your audience. Other than that, just stick with the shorter videos. It will make sure that people watch either your entire video or they will watch majority of your video, which will actually increase your view time, which will also increase your ability to get more views because YouTube will actually suggest your content. Number six. Number six, guys, is to make sure that you study successful channels that's within your niche. If you see these successful channels like Jackie Anna, she is killing the makeup game, Makeup Shayla, I love some Makeup Shayla, and they do beauty, but that's just for me, you know. So find what it is that your channel is going to be about and find successful channels that you can take a look at and learn from, and really, guys, just take a look at their channel. Go all the way back from where they started from. because I think it's a very humbling thing. A lot of times we think that, oh my God, somebody just blew up, but no, if you really do your research and check out these channels, a lot of these content creators put a lot of hard work, time, effort, years into their channel. So it's good to see where they started at, and it makes you feel good about where you are starting at, because everybody had to start with 0 subscribers. Tip number 7. Tip number 7 is that you want to make sure that you are including YouTube keywords inside your title, guys. This is very important, because this will be the reason why you actually get views, because this is how people will actually locate your channel. This is what's going to help you come up in search. So take your time and figure out what are some very good YouTube keywords so that your videos can rank and that people can find you. Number 8. Tip number 8, guys, is to make sure that you leverage the keywords that you are already ranking for. And I am going to tell you exactly how you do this. The first thing you want to do, angels, is that you want to go into your analytics, and then you want to go over and click into traffic sources. From traffic sources, what you want to do is you want to go over and click onto YouTube search. Then YouTube is going to give you a list of a bunch of different keywords that you are already ranking for. Pay attention to those keywords, guys, and go and make more videos that are already pertaining to those particular keywords. Got it? Good. Tip number 9. Tip number 9 is to go and check and see where your subscribers are coming from. So this is how you do this, guys. What you want to do is you want to go to analytics. From analytics, you want to go and click over to subscribers. From subscribers, what you want to go over and click over to is YouTube watch page. Once you get over to the YouTube watch page, YouTube is going to give you a list of different videos that is actually turning your viewers into subscribers. This is awesome because you're able to take a look at these different videos and see what is bringing in the most traffic, and you can do more videos like that as well. Tip number 9. Tip number 9, guys, is to be patient. Be patient with your YouTube journey and expect things to not go so well. Like, things won't be perfect. You will experience bumps in the road. That's just what the YouTube journey is about. People want to be like an overnight success, but no, that doesn't happen on YouTube. YouTube is a journey, and you need to take that time and build your craft every single day and work on it. That's what's going to get you better. If you go back and look at my videos from the beginning, it was a mess. Like, and I'm sure a year or 2 from now, I'm gonna look back at this video and think this video is a mess. Everything should be constantly improving with your channel, and that takes time. Nothing happens overnight, guys, so just be very patient. And a bonus tip that I want to give you guys is to never give up. If YouTube is something that you really love and enjoy doing, and it's something that you can't go a day without thinking about, then don't give up on it. Just trust the journey, guys. Trust the process. And that is the end of this video. If these 10 tips are very helpful for you, please make sure that you subscribe. I will also put my other YouTube videos in a playlist and a card up here for you guys to check out. I'm building this playlist, and I'm going to have a lot more videos for you guys. These videos were highly requested. I love you guys so much, and I want you guys to be successful as well. You guys already know we are family. You're my angels, you're my sisters. And other than that, I'll see you guys in my next video. But always remember, the secret to success: put God first, always be determined, and consistency is key. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, angels.